we're going to learn some everyday words and their opposites in Yoruba. Guess what? I'll be doing this with my friend today. Are you ready? Let's go! S-A-G-O! Look at this big red ball. In Yoruba, we call big inla. What about the small ball?
Small in Yoruba is Kékère.
Say it with me. Inla.
Big.
Kékère.
Small.
Now, let's talk about temperature. This soup is so hot.
Hot in Yoruba is Gbóná.
Say Gbóná. My water is very cold.
Cold in Yoruba is Tútù. Say it with me.
Gbóná.
Hot. Tútù.
Cold. Let's talk about heights. The bird is flying up in the sky. Up in Yoruba is
Okay.
and the ball is rolling down the hill. Down is Yoruba is
Ìsàlè.
Say it with me.
Okay.
Up,
Ìsàlè.
down. All right, let's look outside. The sun is shining. It is morning.
Morning in Yoruba is Òwúrọ.
Now it's dark. It's night.
Night in Yoruba is Alẹ́.
Say it with me.
Òwúrọ or àárọ̀.
Day. Great job, everyone. You learn opposites in Yoruba.
Ńlá.
Big. Kékère.
Small.
Gbóná.
Hot. Tútù.
Cold.
Okay.
Up.
Ìsàlè.
Down.
Òwúrọ̀ or àárọ̀.
Morning.
Alẹ́.
Night.
Yay!
Don't forget to practice these words at home. Until next time, friends. Bye. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe.